Alright guys, so today we're unboxing this right here. So this is the brand, and we're just gonna see what's inside the box. So it is all the way wrapped around. You guys can take a quick look around the box, but just open it up. Now around the box itself, there isn't that much information, but here you have a glance at the battery capacity. There's a little bit more information down there. Down here below, it's just this, and again, not that much information all the way around. So here it is, and we've got a manual that came with it. So let's just put that on the side. You guys will not need the manual because I will show you how to set this up. And here we go. So there's nothing else in the box. We're just gonna confirm that by taking everything out. And here it is. I can tell you it doesn't have that much weight to it. I do see that it comes with this as well. It just came loose. Yeah, this is just for this right here. We actually don't need that on. Yeah, so everything comes already set up basically. So you can see this part's a soft part. This right here, it's a different material than others that I have seen from before. It's nice and smooth. But yeah, this is definitely rubber. On the back, you have this. Again, I've seen others where you have to install this yourself, which almost makes no sense because it should be installed already. But you see that gap in between already. Because again, your head will go against this. And this part is what goes into your Oculus to charge it up. So it comes with a battery pre-built again here. Now it has some weight to it, so that's good. So it's gonna balance things out. So on the front, you have that weight from your Oculus or Meta Quest, and on the back you're gonna have some weight to it to counterbalance that, so that's nice. Now just by doing this, you can expand this so you guys can see that. I'm gonna show you the max that it can go. So that's the maximum length, which is quite a bit. Let me show you both sides. It's quite a bit. I don't think anybody has that large of a head. And when I do this, that's the smallest that it goes. So again, that is really, really small if you look at here, because this goes against your Oculus. So you're looking at this spacing right here. And you will notice that if you turn this, it lights up as well. So that's actually a light that's turning on when I do this or when I do this. So it does turn on. Now all the way around, I don't see any buttons, nothing. Yeah, there's nothing I can see. It's only this. Very simple design. There's other ones that do have buttons to turn on and off the battery, for example. But anyways, at this point in time, you're looking at everything you get within this package. Which, by the way, to charge this up, this battery, plus your Oculus, you would just plug it in here. So the same way that you charge your Meta Quest or Oculus, you would plug the same cable right here to charge both of them at the same time. Now, how do you know if this is fully charged? Well, it does tell you right here. If it's all lighting up, then that means it's fully charged. 75% charge, 50% charge. So it's about the light. And if it's red, it's low battery. And here's a little bit more specifications about the battery itself, plus other information that you guys might be looking for. But anyways, here is my Meta Quest or Oculus. Same thing. We're going to install this. So right now, we just have to take out an old one that we have. Or if you guys have the original put on already, then you do have to take this out. The easiest way to take this out is just by pressing on this part first. So just take out this part. So this little thing right here, take that out first. So we're going to put that onto the side. Then we're just going to grab this and take it out. So it just goes out that easy. Now this here is because I had another one that was plugged in. We're just going to snap this out. It's that easy. Snap it out. I think I mentioned this before already, but to check the battery status, we can just turn this left a little bit. You're going to see the light. So we can see how much battery it has, or to the left. Right or left, you're gonna see the indicator anyways. Besides that, let's just install this. So really easy, simple installation. We're just gonna have to press that here, just snap it in. Now we gotta do that from the other part. So again, all we have to do is just snap it in, and there we go. So it's that easy to snap these guys in. Now the middle part. Now, although this came like so, it wouldn't actually make sense to put it like this, because then when you want to maybe make this tighter or less tight, you're gonna have to take it off to adjust it, because this will go against your head. So I think they did this wrong, because it's much more comfortable to have it the other way. But I guess you could place it that way because it does look better. I'm just gonna put that there so I don't touch the lenses while I place this. And here we go. So this makes more sense to me. So if you need to move this around to make it tighter, you don't have to take off the Oculus. You can just unfasten it and then just put it there, depending on your comfort level. And then on the other side, you will see this. So that's how it's gonna look. Once you're done that, we can just place this back. There we go, everything's snapped in together. So the last part that we have to do is just plug this to the side. And there we go, everything's all good. You're gonna notice this light popping up, which makes sense. And right now the light should be changing because it's saying that it's charging. So yeah, it's charging the Oculus at this point. So that's the thing about this one. It doesn't have a button to turn on and off the battery. However, there's others, such as this one here, which I already made an unboxing from before, which, you know, you still got this to adjust everything, but you can turn it off and on, and you can see the battery level just by pressing on it. You can see if it's full or not. Well, this one's full at the moment. It just works different. This one, you would have to press this. So when it's running out of battery, all I have to do is just touch the back of my head, press that, and then it's gonna charge it up. Or if I really don't want to run out of battery, I can just turn it on right away as soon as I put on my Oculus. And again, that would be the concept of this one, because as soon as you plug it in, it's charging it already. So here's how it looks. It's pretty standard, and I think it looks pretty good too. Everything fits like it should. Now, what I personally did was wear it to see how comfortable it is, and it's just about the same thing as the other ones, because it's all about this part. As you guys can see, it's flexible. That's what you guys need when you're buying something like this. It's not supposed to be touching this. There's supposed to be some type of space here, which there is. But again, this is just an unboxing and a setup video. However, if you guys want to see the long-term review of this battery, just let me know, because it is here in my channel. But as far as this particular unboxing goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.